All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol Htbx, Biologics Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. The first thing is welcome to my channel. To all my first-time viewers and investors, welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And to all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. It means a lot and speaks high volumes from your guys' end. We're all here to learn and grow together, as well as maximize profits and minimize losses. And I hope that I continue to project that and nothing less to you guys with the helpful information and how informative I can be. So let's jump into this chart. Very bullish run here after dipping from a high here that it reached in the last couple of days of 170, and it just started to get dominated by the bears. It was below the 50-day moving average, and here we are seeing the bulls with some momentum. The question is, will this momentum continue, and can the bulls take advantage of being over the 50-day moving average and start to move their way up to newer highs? We have a very broad stretch here, so we're going to have to narrow it down a bit. And for the resistance level, that's what it is. The resistance level is 141. This closed out at 137. 141 needs to be broken by the bulls to continue this run. Use it as support, test it, improve it, and they can work their way up back to newer highs and break newer resistance levels. The 50-day moving average is 129. I'd write that down. This is what lets you know whether the bulls are in control or the bears. So 129 is very, very important. If this gets crossed, I'm not saying that the bears completely got control again, but they're on their way to gaining leverage on this stock. So once that gets crossed, that is literally the first level of support that is very important if the bears cross it for you to know that the bulls are losing control. Now, the real support level here that I can't emphasize enough how important it is to pay very close attention to. If it drops from 137, it breaks through the 50-day moving average, and it starts to work its way down to newer lows, then 122 is the support level. And if that support level gets crossed, I can't emphasize enough how important it is, because that's very close to the lowest point that this reached in the bearish run, which was 119. That's only a difference of 3 cents, and that could be back on its way down to those lows. And if it crosses 122, you want to see how quick is it moving down, and could the bulls recover it, or are the bears dominating it? Because now they're pulling it away from the 50-day moving average, which is 129, and by pulling it further away from 129 in a downward direction, they're going to start to work their way down to newer lows and newer support levels. So I can't emphasize it enough, but I'm going to say it one more time. Pay very close attention to how it reacts if 122 gets broken through, because not that the bears only break through support, but they broke through the 50-day moving average of 129, and now that's 2 levels of importance that just got broken through, and just showing and affirming that the bears are gaining control. If the support gets broken through, you want to see how it behaves. How quickly is it moving down? Is it kind of hanging out? Are the bulls reappearing within the next 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart? Are they trying to pull this back up, or are the bears just dominating, bringing it down? That's the question, and that's the stuff you want to analyze and check how the trading day is going if this support gets crossed. But for the most part, we're going to want to keep in mind the resistance level, 141, 50-day moving average, 129, and the support, 122. With those cues, you guys should be well equipped and prepared for tomorrow's trading day to make your own rational decisions as investors. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. If you guys did, hit the like button for me. If you found this helpful and informative and you feel encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so that you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's make some money.